Today I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a rubber band like a gun. First thing, the rubber band, any type. First, these two fingers here, put the rubber band inside, like that, close it up, close all three, leave these two out like a gun, and just pull it around until it looks like this. Oh, whoops. Looks like this. Let me show you how far it goes. I think I lost it. So if you don't get that, I'll show you it again. Put it through the hole. So these two fingers, put both of them inside the hole and close three of these fingers right here. 1, 2, 3. And then keep it just like that. And then to that. And then it's connected to the top. And see. Make sure to subscribe, leave thumbs up, and watch my other videos. Bye.